Hi and welcome, students of LTDE. My name is Victoria Wessel, and I'm going to go through a quick guide on my professional portfolio that I was able to do in our class for Foundation Learning Tech and Design. Right here, you'll see my name, which is, of course, Victoria Wessel, and a little bit about me. I'll give you a quick tour of who I am and a little bit of my background of what is my bachelor's degree and what I'm currently studying. A little bit about my history, which is from Prairie View Volunteer Fire Department, and I'm currently working as an HISD wraparound resource specialist. Here is a little quote that I like to have in regards to whenever I'm feeling down. Here it is. Also, a quick tour of my resume and everything I have accomplished throughout the years and any type of certifications or awards or recognitions. And of course, you can see my contact information here below. You'll also find my resume. Sorry about that. You'll also find my resume and also my Twitter link and my LinkedIn account. Here you can see a little bit about who I am and what type of activities I like to engage with. We will begin with our unit-based plan, which is something that I enjoy during this course. And it shows you a little bit of what I'm targeting towards the behavior of students, especially in high school. How can we approach them and what will be the outcome? You'll see the assessment evidence, the learning experiences, and of course we have our rubrics, a schedule of a 4-week period in regards of how we will implement these ideas within the class and how can we work with staff in regards to this. It gives you a little about information and what to expect. And of course, it's approaching the student, how to approach the student, and how do we prepare for that. The problem solving, the attitudes, and we focus on the task. How do we time manage and quality of work? And this is just something brief. Of course, our technology resources. I was able to implement my MS Sway, which is the Microsoft Sway. The bottom below will give you a quick introduction on how MS Sway will work. You will find helpful tools and guidelines. And I was able to work with my partner, with one of my classmates here. Here you will give a quick tour of a test video that I enjoy doing. It's one of my favorites. I'll give you a quick tour about it.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
Sometimes I love showing that little part of how do we implement these or how do we work with certain students and we don't know what else to think, but our brains just goes blank and we start having a little panic attack. So that's why I wanted to introduce a little bit about students' behaviors, because sometimes I feel like as adults we don't understand certain type of ideas or things that the student wants to tell us in person. I also give a quick introduction on how to Kahoot, one of my favorite things to introduce to our students, and I love engaging with them. It's a little competition, it's fun, and I enjoyed it. And coming into this class has helped me learn different type of strategies and understanding the why we use certain approaches for different type of teaching methods. We have developed plans on how to use technology. Technology has a big role in education and is very frequently throughout the years. It will continue to grow and it will be much approachable and easier when engaging with students. We can still use no technology, but students have a different way of understanding now. I enjoy working and developing different ideas for the future students. Once again, thank you so much. Y'all have a great day, just like my little dinosaur says here. And this is my little contact information. I am Victoria Wessel, your wraparound resource specialist here at HISD, and I'm also here at HBU. Thank you so much, and y'all have a blessed day.